I lived in a basement apartment with my roommate, and our upstairs neighbors became our new landlords when they bought the place. They were awful at their job and tried to get away with many things, including pushing illegal clauses in our contract. One time, our fire alarm stopped working, and we informed them. They responded sarcastically, saying it was our responsibility to get a new one. However, when we told them to contact the fire marshal, they took us seriously and did so. The next morning, they showed up at our door with new fire alarms, begging to be let in to install them. They apologized profusely for the delay and offered to help with anything else we needed. It was clear that their meeting with the fire marshal did not go in their favor, and they were forced to comply with the law.